In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wipers on your Buick Encore. It's located on the front windshield. There's a short windshield wiper and a long windshield wiper. Make sure you put them in the proper positions. Different windshield wipers have different attachments. For this one, we're going to lift this up by sticking a flathead screwdriver under there. Now I'm going to slide my flathead screwdriver underneath here and leave it there. And as I do that, I'm going to pinch these two things underneath. There's two things that stick out. They're like little feet. And you're going to push them in and pull it off. So these are the 2 feet. So this is our old wiper. Now we need to find the right setup in order to attach it to our arm. This is the wiper that comes in the box. There is several adapters. The adapter kit comes with 4 different types, depending on what you've taken off. So we're going to use this one, and we're going to use this one to fit into this bracket. So to install this, you're going to put your plastic piece with arrow to arrow, like this. Once you get it lined up, you're going to push it into place. Now you're going to look at this piece, and you're going to see this little circle here. You're going to have this up, and you're going to snap that with 2 hands into place. Now we're going to put it in our bracket. To do that, we're going to pick this arm up slightly. We're going to slide it in and click it in. Take this off and do the same on the other side. After that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.